Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to deposit to Binance. If you want to add funds to your Binance account, firstly you need to open your Binance app. And from the home page, what you need to do is you need to go to this assets in the bottom right corner of the screen. And to make a fiat deposit, you need to simply select deposit in the top right corner of any of the assets there. So from here you need to follow the on-screen instruction. You can select a deposit method here. And after that select continue in the bottom. And make sure you have verified account already. Select your preferred deposit method depending on your country, available options, and enter the amount that you want to deposit and follow the on-screen instruction to complete the payment. And once the transaction is processed, your fiat balance will appear in your Binance account. And that is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.